Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to log in into your WhatsApp account step by step. First, download and install the WhatsApp app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app on your phone. Next, agree and continue to the WhatsApp and then click allow notifications if you want to. Then enter your phone number or you could use your Face ID to sign in. Make sure you select the correct country code as well. Then tap next and WhatsApp will send you a verification code through SMS. Enter the code you receive to verify your number. Once verified, your account will be automatically logged in. You could continue and then you can edit your profile, select the contacts you want to share, then add your email if you want, or you could also skip this step. That's how you log in into the WhatsApp account. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.